Jesus, 10-8. He got his launch control off that time. 10-2? Oh my God. What was that? Incredibly mediocre. Incredibly mediocre. It is getting quite windy and a little dark over there. It actually doesn't look terrible.
Yeah, I know, it doesn't look bad.
It doesn't look bad. Maybe it's just getting a little dark out. Maybe that's all. Maybe we'll be okay. There we go. What's Larry have done to his?
He just has an exhaust.
Oh, he's getting absolutely smoked. Oh man. He's shooting something out of his hood. There's fluid spitting out there. That wasn't nice.
That's literally where
You guys ran away.
All the fuel and all the air.
Yeah, that's not good for my health.
Don't worry, Canada already did it to us over the last few days.
It's like the third.
got us.
That's true. Canada already set us on fire.
Yeah, that's what I said. I'm like, Jake, bro. Me, dude. Luke, if you record me, I'm dead ass gonna start in your fucking camera.
I don't like that. Okay, alright. Alright.
Alright, I'm moving it up, bro.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Diddy.
Do I get any form of lean back here, or is this not a Mercedes?
No, it's not a fucking Mercedes.
It's not an S-Class, bro. It's not an S-Class.
Yo, Brandon, your phone picture is so funny, bro. Dude! Don't fuck with this! Dude! Hey, Jay! Hey!
That's so bad.
I'm trying to set you up with one of Eddie's friends, no cap.
Dude. Oh, that's not a good reaction!
No, she's bad.
That is not a good reaction.
She's so
The maniacal giggle does not give me hope.
Nah.
Yeah, he is. I'm going in next. We got every light on the dash. This is a good sign.
Oh yeah.
That's just
Tunes,
normal
so,
Audi things,
yeah.
though, to be honest.
We don't need any of those lights where we're going.
We'll be fine. We'll be all right. This is gonna do numbers. The seat is not locked. Dude, you got
Oh.
that. That's insane. I've never actually felt something that crazy before in my life.
Hell yeah.
Oh, I got so much stuff in my eyes. That's incredible. This thing's nuts.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it.
Peace, brother.
Yep. Sir, is this a dress car? Man, who let Marcus go in the pit? Oh, he blew it up. Too close. We were way too close. Oh my God. Oh my God. That's not okay. It broke the machine. It doesn't. It didn't read.